2025 is bringing huge opportunities for print on demand. So if you've been planning to start a small business, now is the time. You don't want to miss out on this. Trust me. Whether you're planning on making $500 a week or you want to scale up to $10,000 a week, print on demand is the small business you want to try out. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 top hottest print on demand businesses that you can try out. And whatever you do on this video, do not miss out on number 4, number 8, and number 10. You want to make money while you sleep? Print on demand is the business for you. Hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for always clicking on play each time you see any of my videos. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. Drum rolls for you. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money online, and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, you want to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and watch this video till the end to get value from it. The first print-on-demand small business that you can start up with is called the personalized apparel. Let's start with the bread and butter of print-on-demand. We have the custom t-shirts and the hoodies. Personalized clothing have always been top seller, and with the rise of the niche market this 2024-2025, there is a huge audience for personalized apparel. There is room to cater for specific audience like eco-friendly apparel, for sweatwear, for motivational quotes, and for more. You can create your designs on platforms like Canva. You can also create on Printful, on Teespring, and then you sell and earn money for this. The market is massive. There are a lot of people who are looking for personalized apparel, and you want to queue into this because this market is not yet saturated. You don't want to wait until 2025 or 2026 when the market is saturated and then you are there struggling to create your accounts and start earning money. Most of these platforms are right now free, so you can actually create your accounts for free and start earning. And remember, print on demand, you can design this just once and sell it and keep earning over and over again. And you can also sell this one item you've designed on different platforms like Printful, Shopify, on Printiful, on Etsy, and even on Amazon. So what is stopping you from creating personalized apparel and selling? The second print-on-demand small business that you can start up today is phone cases. Now, I'm not talking about something like this. This is plain, and if you do something like this, you would definitely not sell well. You would have clients, but very few people will queue into that. I'm talking about personalizing phone cases like this. You can do that with someone's image. You can do that with beautiful designs that are captivating, that someone will look at it and want to use on their phones. You can also add accessories to this phone case, and you can also add quotes, funny quotes or emotional quotes on the phone cases that can attract someone to buy. You could put things like Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, Happy 31 years, Happy Anniversary, and things like that on a phone case, and a lot of people will queue into that. The third print-on-demand small business that you can start up today is home decor. Most people think that when they talk about print-on-demand, it's all about clothes or mock-ups. You can think of things like wall art, you can think of blankets, bedsheet, pillowcases. You can brand them, personalize them, and then you upload on platforms like Society6, on Printful, on Etsy, and a lot of people will queue into that. A lot of people are looking for personalized things. So if you can customize a bed sheet, if you can customize a blanket, a pillowcase, or wall art, then you will be getting to the bank every other hour. The fourth print on demand small business that you can start up today is custom mugs. Now take a look at something like this, right? Isn't this beautiful? And take a look at another one like this. This is from a phone shop. A lot of companies are looking for things like this to give, like, thanks for coming for weddings, thanks for buying from my shop, thanks for patronizing me, and things like that. People are queuing into this. So if you want to start up a print on demand, mugs is one of the best selling items on print on demand. Companies are queuing into print on demand, and one of the best selling items is mugs. That is why I said I especially love number 4. I can count the number of times I've gone to buy or even to do facials, and when I'm leaving, I will have something like a mug for thanks for coming, thanks for patronizing us, and all that. So if you want to start a small business, you want to queue into things like this, remember, there is no much work. You can go to a platform like Canva, and Canva will help you to design this. Even if you have zero experience in designing, you can design a mug on Canva in less than a minute. Trust me, when I say you can do this, you can do this. If you love the research so far and you want to be seeing content like this, do consider to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Doing this will help my channel to grow. The algorithm of YouTube will send this video to as many people as possible when it sees the number of likes that I have on this video. So also make sure you share this, because there are a lot of people out there looking for a small business or for a side hustle or for a passive income idea, and I consider this print on demand one of the laziest ways you can earn money from the online space, because you are designing this just once and you would sell it over and over and over again. The fifth print on demand small business that you can start today is luxury pet apparel. Now, pet owners are getting crazy with the love they give to their pets. They want things like clothing for their pets, they want designs for their beds and all that. Sometimes when I look at how much people spend on their pets, I'm like, what? These are even things that human beings do not benefit from, but people are giving to their pets. This industry is massive, and pet owners are getting crazy with the kind of things they want to do for their pets. So if you are looking for a small business or for print on demand business to queue into, I will advise you to take this number 5 to luxury pet apparel. Just make sure you have customized designs for pets. You can do that for their clothing. Nowadays, pets are putting on clothes. If you look at someone's pet's room, you'll be amazed at the bed sheets, at the designs on the wall, the artwork, and things like that for pets. So you want to take your time, go to Canva, design this, upload on any platform that you prefer. It could be Etsy, it could be Amazon, it could be Teespring, it could be Printful or Printful, and then you upload, relax in your house, the company will do the work for you, and you earn money every other day. The seed print on demand small business that you can also start up is eco-friendly product. Customers are becoming eco-conscious, and this is the new trend for 2024. Focus on creating suitable print-on-demand products like reusable bags, biodegradable phone cases, and even organic cotton clothing. Not only are these products environmentally friendly, they also come with a high profit margin. The seventh print on demand small business that you can start up today is customized stationery. Stationery is back in style, so offering custom notebooks, planners, and even stickers with motivational quotes or unique art design can be a hit. Personalization is key here. People love their names on quotes on their stationaries. So you want to make sure if you're creating something like a custom notebook, a planner, their name should be on it. Any code you're putting in any of this, their name should be personalized. Everyone wants to have something like this one right here that I am anxious about. Yes. Skincare. I have my face right here, and definitely I'm always excited about it. I want to show it off. So everyone wants to have something personalized on their stationery. So this is another small business that you can start up on print on demand. Amazing, right? If you love the research so far, give me the thumbs up, click on that like button, and also turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on our subsequent videos. And also, do not forget to share this video to as many people as possible. Your like will send a notification to the algorithm of YouTube to share this video to as many people as possible, and you would help my channel to grow. Thank you very much. The eighth print on demand small business that you can start up today is print on demand jewelries. Now, like I said before, I especially love number 8. This is because I personally love jewelries. Now, things like jewelries, you can actually customize them. I mean, write the name of the person right there, maybe on the earrings. If you look at something like this is written right there, Queen. And instead of Queen, you could write Claudia. You could also personalize a watch by writing a name, maybe a motivational quote right there that will be admirable to a client. Also on the necklace, you can also have on bracelets and a lot of jewelries. So print on demand jewelry is another small business you can start up on the print on demand field and excel, because like I said, people want personalized things on their body. Wearing this one right here, if it was Claudia on it, my God, I think from the beginning till the end of this video, I should have been doing like this and like this and like this. And even if I had it right here, I would have been doing the same, because I just feel like when you have your name or something personalized on you, you feel great, you feel comfortable, you feel admirable and all that. So print on demand jewelry is another small business you can start up today and earn. The ninth print on demand small business you can start up today is custom face mask. Now I know some of you will be like, what? Am I going to have clients to queue into this? You would definitely have clients. Right now, people are using it as a style, as a costume, and to do a lot of things with. So you can custom a face mask. I mean, maybe write a motivational quote on it or design something beautiful, personalize it, and then you upload on any of these platforms, and you would earn a lot of money from that, because I've seen people searching for customized face mask. So this is another print on demand small business that you can start up today, and then you earn money and keep getting to the bank every other day. The 10th way, the last way, which is not the least, which I love most, is print on demand shoes. Now, I especially love this one because last year someone gave me a gift of a print on demand shoes, and my name was boldly written on that trainer, and I was super excited about it. I wish someone would still give me something like that on my birthday. All right, so this is another small business that you can start up and excel in. A lot of people are looking for print on demand shoes, for someone that can design their names on their shoes or put a logo on a shoe. I mean, you can create your own personal logo and then you design on shoes and you sell it. All right, so you must not custom it to what your clients or your customers want. You can also use your personal brand to brand a lot of shoes and then you sell it out there. That is how business begins, and before you know it, your brand has gone worldwide and you start becoming a big brand like the Fendi's, like the D&G and all that. So here you have it. 10 top hottest print on demand small businesses that you can start up today and earn money. Remember, print on demand, you can do this once, you can design this once and keep selling for the rest of your life. And also, if you want to maximize more and earn more, you can design once and you can sell on 5 different print on demand platforms. You can sell on Etsy, you can sell on Amazon, you can sell on Shopify, on Printify, on Printful, and a lot other platforms that you can sell on. These companies are amazing, and one thing I love about the companies is that most of them are free right now. All you have to do is to go right there, create your account, and then you design this, upload on it, and you start selling. The only time you will be charged is when you sell. This company will definitely reduce a percentage because you are using their platform, and where you are even designing this on Canva, it is totally free. So if you love the research so far, do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on our next video right here. And also, if you fall short anywhere, let me know on the comments and I'll be right there to help you if I can. Until next time, keep creating, keep searching, and never give up on anything you do. Love you all. Bye bye.